Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to share Vimeo profile link. First of all, you can open the Vimeo application. Now you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. Just simply tap on it. And before moving further toward in the video, please consider subscribing to Solution Lab and hit the bell icon so you will get notified of our latest videos. Now coming back to the video, you can see the copy link of the profile is not available because the Vimeo app in mobile is not provide the feature to copy the profile link or share your profile link. Now you can go to the desktop and you can search Vimeo on the browser, and here you can open the Vimeo app, and here you can see the share option at the top right corner of the desktop. You can tap on this and share your profile with any person that you want. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one.